Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to import MKV file in Adobe Premiere Pro. And as you can see, when we try to import it, we cannot import it. So in order for you to fix that, just simply go ahead and go to the OBS. And now from here on the OBS, just simply click on File at the top left corner of the screen and go for Remux Recordings. And now from here, just simply click on the three dots over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and select your file and now click on open. And after that, just simply click on Remux over here. And now once you have done that, guys, as you can see, when you go to the location over here, it will be converted into MP4. And from here, just simply right click over here and go for import, and we should be able to import our video that we just remux. So just simply go ahead and select on it and click on open. And from here, as you can see, we should be able to import it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.